What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and the 2018 Hot Wheels main line is coming to an end with two cases left, the P case and the Q case. So today we're talking about the new P case Hot Wheels, and there are definitely some cool cars in this case. It lacks JDM, but definitely has some hot vehicles, so let's get into it. The first car we have here is the super treasure hunt of the case, the Hot Wheels 50th Race Team 74 to Escort with dark blue Spectraflame paint and Real Riders wheels. Of course, there will be a regular version of this car that is much more common with the 50th style wheels, and I'll be unboxing this case very soon, so hopefully we get lucky and finally find the super. The P case is loaded with so many other amazing Hot Wheels castings, such as the brand new 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. I am super stoked to get that car, and on the right we have the new 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT, which first appeared in the last case. Now, McLaren fans such as myself will be excited to see a new white variation of the 720S, which first released this year in the iconic volcano orange color. Alongside it is a new white edition of the Lamborghini Countach pace car, which originally launched in red with blue tinted windows and a blue siren on the roof. A new Tesla Energy Model X is arriving in the P case. This time it's a piano black color, and on the right is a sinister matte black 52 Chevy truck. Muscle Mania is heating up with a new red color of the 2018 Ford Mustang GT, and next to it is a purple 67 Mustang from Then and Now. McLaren fans can also get excited for a new HW Exotics green variation of the McLaren P1 in the P case, which is the perfect match to go along with the latest 720S. And if you're more of an American sports car fan, the new blue color of the Corvette C7 Z06 with white striping is one of the best Z06 editions yet. A few classic cars from the P case include the black and white R-Car 64 Impala and a flaming blue custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. I am really liking this new green color of the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR, and on the right is a new Batmobile, which is the regular treasure hunt of this case. Our next car is a new orange edition of the HW 50th Race Team Boneshaker and a Sweet Robots vehicle called Bot Wheels. From the Checkmate series, there's a new white and yellow Rook Fandango and a white Glow Wheels winning formula. Then we have two new recolors of Xperi Motors cars. On the left is Eruption, and on the right is the Bubble-Matic. Next in line is the Hot Wheels Sports Ski Team Rockster in red and a new green color of the Embosser. As for HW Metro vehicles, the P case includes a new Hot Wheels High Bus and a police edition of the Skyfi. You can also expect to find a new orange color of the Golf Cart T-Duff 2, and last but not least, an orange art car's Maximum Leeway. There we have a rundown of the new models inside of the Hot Wheels 2018 P case, and of course there will be lots of other cars in the case that we saw in the previous release as well. I'll be unboxing this case very soon on the channel, so if you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck to you all hunting down the newest Hot Wheels.